Purity begins with nature, a quiet awakening with the elements of earth. Every journey to renewal begins with a single touch of purity. The earth gives us its elements: water, air, light, and minerals, each whispering renewal. The earth replenishes, the air hydrates, your skin restored to balance. Elements drawn together in harmony, to cleanse, to revive, to breathe life back into you. This is more than care. It is a transformation, felt to the core. The Complete HydraFacial, purity, renewal, glow. By Elara.